Cut 2 potatoes into thin slices like this and put them in. So wash them thoroughly with water. Now put the washed potatoes into the boiling water for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, take out the potatoes from the water. Now spread all the potatoes onto a sheet, or you can also use a dry towel. After 5 minutes, when the potatoes are completely dry, shift them into a bowl. Now add 2 tablespoons of corn flour, a little bit of black pepper, red chili powder according to your taste, a little bit of salt. Mix them thoroughly so that all the ingredients get coated on the potatoes. Now look at the potatoes, they are completely ready to fry. Now put them into hot oil. Be very careful because the oil is very hot. Cute golden color, as you can see, they are all fried, and sprinkle some red pepper, or you can also use paprika powder, little bit of salt, and a little bit of black pepper.